boost your credit score. Hi, this is Joe from the Credit Veteran Club, coming to you every day to bring you credit information that will give you knowledge, because I believe that everyone, and I mean everybody, deserves to be equipped with enough information to take them to the next level and achieve your goals. Today, I want to give you 5 tips on the fastest way to boost your credit score. These are battle-tested strategies that I used for myself, my clients, and my students. Tip number 1, always make your payments on time. This accounts for 35% of your credit score, so it's extremely important. Put your accounts on auto pay. That's the only way you will not miss a payment. Number 2, lower your credit utilization. This is the credit limit versus how much you owe on the card. This is 30% of your credit score. The ideal credit utilization is actually below 10%. Number 3, work on your mix. That is the type of credit that you have. That is revolving versus installments. E.g., a credit card is a revolving account, and the payments vary a little bit month by month. Loans are installments based on fixed payments and don't change every month. So for example, if you don't have a revolving credit on your report, get a primary credit card. Number 5, keep your inquiries down. Every time you apply for credit, an inquiry hits your credit report. Typically, you want to have 1 to 3 inquiries every 24 months, and they take 24 months to come out. Now, if you discover hard inquiries on your report, you have the legal right to challenge something on your credit that is not yours. Don't forget that. Number 5, work on the age and history of your credit. If you don't have a lot of credit history at the moment, start building it now. I'll give you some bonus points. Do you have any negatives on your credit report? If so, you need to work on removing those right now. At the credit club, we help you with the 24-hour inquiry removal training, plus the new digital deletion process training, which is one of the fastest ways to do credit repair. We also have 75% of aged trade lines from our preferred vendors. Access to our proprietary letters that I used myself to go from a 500 to 800 credit score. We have coaching, mentoring, accountability, and even weekly Zoom calls, plus even more. If you are ready to kick your credit into high gear and crush those goals as fast as possible, we need to talk, okay guys? Our program teaches you everything about credit finances that they don't teach in school. This is the exact framework I used and continue to use on my clients. Some of them have tremendous success in this system. They've taken 60 to 90 days. Your ordinary credit repair company usually takes 18 to 24 months. Sometimes you don't even get them off. At the Credit Veteran Club, we make sure you never go backwards. Please call 678-528-2569, and remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Click on the notification bell so that you get our videos when we release them. Thumbs up, please. Like, share, so that we can reach as many people as possible. Thank you, and have a good day.